My dear friends, how are you? Science related MCQs. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay? Now first question is, it is related to the chapter plants. Okay? Plant life. So first question is, photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sugar and sunlight into oxygen? No. Sugar and oxygen into CO2 and energy? No. CO2, that means carbon dioxide and water. Formula is water is known as H2O and carbon dioxide is CO2. CO2 and water into sugar and oxygen? Yes. Sunlight into oxygen? No. Okay, so the answer is C option, that CO2 and water into oxygen. Okay, that means what you can observe from the given question, that what is photosynthesis? Sunlight is the energy source and chlorophyll is the green pigment that is the source of the sunlight. Okay, now next question is, the loss of water through the leaves of the plant is called as inspiration? No. Expiration? No. Transpiration? Yes. Photosynthesis? No. Photosynthesis is the process of manufacturing food by the plants in the presence of the green pigment chlorophyll sunlight. Okay, leaves mainly are involved in this process. Transpiration is the process by which the water is lost through the leaves. Okay, so this is transpirations. Okay, now next question is, let's come to the next question. The stomata are the pores in the leaf. Okay, so their function is to take in. Stomata are what? These are actually tiny openings. These are tiny openings, like this is your leaf. Okay, these are your leaves. Some openings are there on the surfaces of the leaf. These are known as pores also. Okay, holes also. Their function is to take in what? Their function is to take in carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, oxygen for photosynthesis? No. CO2 for respiration? No. Oxygen for respiration? No. CO2 for photosynthesis. Because stomata present on a leaf help it to breathe. It helps to breathe. Okay, and leaves like some leaves of some plants like mint, spinach and cabbage, they are eaten as food. So I'm just taking out the example that what are the functions of leaf. But stomata means, stomata are the tiny openings on the under surface of most leaves and they help in the exchange of the gases. What do they do actually? They help in exchange of gases. Okay, and let out the excess water from the leaves in the form of water vapor. Means some of the water that are excess, the excessive of the water is lost or is pulled out from the leaves in the form of the water vapor by the process called transpiration. Okay, now next question is, during what time of the day does the process shown in the picture take place in the plant? O2, leaf and then CO2. See, 11 a.m., 6 a.m., 2 p.m. No, it's all the time. The process is being done all the time throughout the day. Okay, it is not at any particular period of time. This process is happening throughout the day. Okay, the CO2 is being taken in by the leaves and the oxygen is released out. Okay, it is released. Now, next question is, study the given figure and identify the gases. See, this is sun, leaf, see X, Y and again see uh, here actually X is what? X is CO2, X is CO2 and Y is oxygen, because in the leaf CO2 is getting entered and oxygen is exited. Okay, it is being taken out by the leaves so that it is being absorbed by the human beings. Okay, for respiration. Okay, so and then CO2 is being released by the oxygen. Okay, which is absorbed by the plants again. Okay, so next the answer will be C option. Sixth question is, what does etiolation mean? See, leaves become yellow due to reduced light? No. Leaves become yellow due to breaking down of chlorophyll? No. Leaves become brown due to breaking down of chlorophyll? No, in the absence of light or greatly reduced light, leaves become yellow due to breaking down of chlorophyll. That means etiolation is a process of the leaves becoming yellow in color due to the breaking down of the chlorophyll when there is no light or the light is being reduced too much. Okay, this is your etiolation. Okay, next question is mushroom gets its food from the water we pour near it, dead and decaying plants, photosynthesis, eating small insects that come near it. मशरूम गेट्स इट्स फूड फ्रॉम डेड एंड डिकेइंग प्लांट्स. मरे हुए जीवों से मशरूम को अपना फूड मिलता है. हैव यू एवर सीन दैट मशरूम बुशी एरियाज में भी प्लांटेड होते हैं. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, now next question is plants store extra food in the form of what? Carbon dioxide, starch, oxygen and chlorophyll. Plants store extra food in the form of starch. Okay, okay, so you know, now next question is in the carrot food is stored in what? In the carrot food is stored in the form of stem, no. Leaves, no. Flowers, no. In the carrot food is stored in the form of roots, you know. See, roots, why do the roots become fleshy? Roots become fleshy because they store a large amount of food. They attain different shapes in different plants clave to food storage. Okay, so carrot is a kind of root also, na, because you can see that it is grown underground. Next question is water is taken from the surroundings into the plant through the this is the surrounding. यहाँ से आपने water लिया into the plant. Okay, surrounding से you have taken the P is for plant. Into the plant through the leaves, roots, stems and flowers. The answer will be through the roots. Roots के through आपने क्या किया? Water has been taken into the plant. Okay, so the answer is roots. Now next question is an example of a fruit containing seed that is edible, that is being eaten by the human, is it is tomato. Is it tomato? It is it potato? Is it mushroom or is it banana? So the answer will be tomato. You know, you can see easily that in tomato there are seeds also. So the answer will be tomato. Next question is the main purpose of flowers is to provide support, no. Food, no. Water, no. The main purpose of flowers is to provide seed. Next is leaves provide the surface area necessary for what? Absorption of sunlight, which begins the process of photosynthesis. This can be the right answer. Absorption of CO2, which begins the process of no, CO2 is not being absorbed through sunlight. First of all, the sunlight is absorbed. This might be the right answer. Absorption of water, no, none of these. So answer will be A option. Next question is which of the following statements are true? See, plants are living organism, true. All organisms including plants are composed of cells, grow, reproduce and respond to various kinds of stimuli like temperature, true. Then C, anemone is a plant, false. Plants have the ability to manufacture food which distinguishes them from other living organism, true. So the answer will be C option. Okay, so these are the some sorts of questions, okay, that I have told you. Okay, so I think that now you are prepared with the questions and kindly share it as much as you can. See, photosynthesis is what? It is making the food by the plants from CO2 and water vapor. Water vapor is present in the surroundings now. It is present in the air in the presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight. Okay, so the raw materials used are CO2 from the air and water taken by the roots. Water taken by the roots. Okay, so thank you. If you like my channel, please share it as much as you can, and thank you for watching my channel, for giving me time, and help me to reach 1000 subscribers. Okay, thank you.